You know what? Imagine if we didn't like each other.
Oh my god, I wouldn't know what that would be like.
Well, let's just imagine it. Imagine it.
No.
Okay. Ugh, I cannot stand that flower girl.
Can't stand that Marigold girl.
I can't believe we're neighbors.
I'm
Like,
late for work. I gotta go.
okay, get in my car. Get on my bike. Okay. Now, come on in here. Oh, I forgot to change. I forgot to go change real quick.
What?
Okay. Now, let's start about the ice cream. There we go.
I'm hungry. I think I'm gonna. I'm hungry. I think I'm gonna go get some ice cream. Yeah. Let me park my bike at the arcade. Marigold works there. I'll just eat my lunch instead.
Did I just hear someone? No. I guess I imagined it. Okay. I got $100 for money. Okay. Okay. It's finally done with work. Let me just go change real quick. Okay. Whew.
Almost home. Finally.
Okay.
Marigold left her gate open. I hope she gets robbed.
I heard that, idiot.
How did you even hear that? You're like 10. Oh, no, wait. You're right there. Back close.
Ah!
Time to go to this party.
Okay, I gotta get to this party quick.
Turn on my button. She wouldn't have been invited. Forget it. She's probably just going to go get some ice cream and head.
Whew, I'm here.
Marigold.
What do you want? I'm sick of you.
I was invited to this party.
Well, so was I.
Weird.
I don't even want to be. I don't even want to be near her. I'm
I'm
just
gonna
gonna.
go get some.
Oh no! It's out of order. Okay. Birthdays are up here. Oh God!
I don't even want to be here anymore. Marigold is here.
I can't believe we're imagining how.
Hold on, wait.
I can't believe we're imagining how if we were enemies, right?
Yeah, I know.
It's weird. And I'm seeing myself in a different outfit.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, it's so weird imagining us being enemies.
I know.
Oh, and I'm sitting on the couch right where we're sitting.
I know. My character's going down to the library.
Okay. ride my bike down to school. Ugh, this flower. Ugh.
Marigold. She's right behind me. Anyways,
I'm going a separate way than her. I'm going a separate way than her. What's that above the hospital? That's probably nothing. Okay, there we go. Easy way to come in.
Made it before Marigold.
I actually made it before you. I'm already inside.
No, I'm already inside. Hey, don't look through my locker.
I hate this girl. She's like so annoying. Student, now use my locker. Okay. Okay.
Gotta get to class before the bell rings.
Oh, hey, Flower and Marigold. Marigold, there's seats by Flower. Are you kidding me?
What? No, I'm gonna sit here. She can sit there, teacher.
No, you will be in big trouble if you don't sit where you're supposed to.
Wait, don't people say if you sit in the front?
Okay, class. What's 2 times 3? Raise his hand.
Teacher, can I use the bathroom?
Of course, Flower.
Thank you.
Anyways, Marigold, what's 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Very good, Marigold.
Splashes water on face. I can get through this day. I'm back, teacher.
Okay, Flower. Class dismissed. Okay.
Thank God. Lunchtime.
Class is dismissal. You can have your lunch at home.
Oh. Well, looks like we're doing lunch at home, I guess. Better than sitting in the cafeteria by Marigold.
Flower's such an idiot.
Marigold is so mean.
I mean, what did I ever do to her? She just started being mean to me.
I can't imagine what it would be like if we were friends.
I can't imagine what it'd be like if me and her were friends. Like, hello. Hello.
Hello.
We're from 2021, and this is 2021A, and me and Flower are actually friends. What? What?
Wait, what? You're friends with Flower? Wait, I mean Marigold? How could you be friends with her? Well, she's nice. She makes great smoothies, and she makes great ice cream.
Yeah, we also work together at the ice cream store in our universe.
Yeah. What? I work at the hospital in this universe. Wait, is this even a universe at all?
Yes, this is 2021A.
Well, we shouldn't be interfering with the past, so I think we should head back to the future.
Okay. Bye, past us. Okay, nice day to plant some flowers.
Hello, Marigold.
inside now.
I'm just gonna relax outside. Finally, relaxing without anyone bothering me. I think I'm going to go inside and change into my bathing suit and go swimming. Okay, time to go for a dip in the pool. What a relaxing day without anyone bothering me like a marigold. Still happy. Ooh, maybe I should do a barbecue today. I'm gonna set up the grill. I hope Marigold doesn't come.
Oh my gosh, wait, what is that? Wait, what is this?
No, wait, Jack, my house is not even on fire.
Wait, what is that?
Okay.
What's that? Oh god.
Okay.
Even if she's my enemy, I have to help her.
Ah, fire! Ah, fire!
I saved your life. I saved your life, even if I'm your enemy.
Ah, fire!
Oh god. I saved your life, even
Thank
if,
you, Marigold.
no problem. Even if I'm your
I
enemy.
didn't think you would do that.
And then we became friends. Isn't that weird? Wasn't it weird thinking about that?
Yeah. Very weird.
Anyways, do you want me to go cook a barbecue?
Yeah, let's do a barbecue.
Okay.
I'll cook the food.
Okay.